In this video, I'm going to show you how Blockspring lets you do new kinds of calculations in your spreadsheet. So for example, if we have some text, we can calculate its sentiment, which says whether something is positive or negative. So if you have the text, "You are beautiful and I love you," that's a positive sentiment, and we'll get a score of 0.95. Whereas if you have negative text like "I hate you and never want to see you again," well, that's a negative sentiment of 0.78. So in this other sheet, I have movie reviews for Batman vs. Superman. And I want to know if each review is positive or negative. So I'm going to use this block. I'm going to click Run for it. And it's going to look at each movie review, run it through this calculation, and give us the sentiment score. So here we can see a bad review. It says this thing is atrocious, and it has a negative sentiment of 0.769. Whereas a more positive review where it says, "Personally, I loved it," has a positive sentiment of 0.765. So this is one example of how you can use Blockspring to do new kinds of calculations in your spreadsheets.